1068 Northwest Fish Street in Miami, a remodeled 8-unit multifamily investment opportunity in the heart of Little Havana. This property features central AC, impact windows, coin laundry on site, and recently completed 40-year certification. Located near the Miami River and close to major Miami destinations, this is a strong option for investors seeking income-producing real estate in Miami. For more information or to schedule a private tour, contact Roland Ruiz today at 305-731-0387. You can call or text directly. You can email me as well at rolandruiz@kw.com, and also visit our website, rolandruiz.kw.com, for additional information. Thank you and have a wonderful day.